Hello everyone, today I am going to present my project. This is an AI content generator. This project is designed to help users generate content quickly and easily using AI. In this application, we have different features like asking questions, summarizing text, and generating idea. The goal of this project is to save time and make content creation simple for everyone. Now I will explain the code for making this project. Firstly, I make three files. First is index.html, then style.css, and then script.js. Index.html is applying the html on the web page. So here i make the I make three divs for the I make first div for content generation, and then generator, and then second div for quick summarizer, and then third div for the idea spark. And I link the CSS and script file to HTML file. Then I apply CSS by using style.css file. Then I explain the JavaScript. This is the main logic. This is the main part of my website. Like, this is the logic of the website. Okay. Now, firstly, I create one variable using const. Then I using const, my variable name is API key, and then I add here API key, Gemini API key, and then I again make another variable API URL, and here I add the URL. Uh, Now I explain the meaning of this line. This is firstly HTTPS, and then the generative language is used to generate the language. Then Google, this contained the data of the API, and then this is the screen and model of the like in which screen or which browser the website will be open. This, and then generate the content, and at that I add my key, the Gemini API key. Now I create one function, the name of called Gemini. At that I make this function async, and I give the variable name prompt, and I use here try and catch. Try is used to handle the errors. Like, it firstly try to solve the result, and then if it's make error, it will pass to the catch. In this, I make one variable name response. In that, I use await, and then fetch. Fetch is used to uh, ma- fetch is used to get the response from the API. And then I add here my API URL, and I use here method post. Post is why I use here post. Post is used to send request to the API. And I'm using here post because user user is giving input, so that input will be go to the API. That's why I'm using here post. Then the header header is header is the main part that show the content type. And then the body part, in the body I use here json dot stringify. It will convert the data into strings. And then contains and parts. The part, like, it will the contains, like, the API is giving answer that, and then the parts, it will break them into parts. And here is the main prompts, like user is writing the input. Then the const data, I create one variable name of data, and I use here await again. Why I use await again and again? Because this is the promises, and in the promises, like, API take the time to reload sometime. That's why I wait here await. Okay. Now in this I use respond.js.